I'm going for it. I'm king of this log. I said I'm king of this log.
Yep.
Walking uphill is a bit challenging.
Yeah. I try to stay on top of
it. Do a little dance. Looks really mucky right through there.
Yeah. It's yucky over there, but it's not bad over here. Think you could drive up there, Sean?
Try.
There's a spot over here. It's pretty yucky there. Where you can look down and there's a lake way down there.
Yeah, I can see it from here.
You can?
Yeah. Right down there between the valley.
See, there used to be a spot too.
Out here in tennis shoes and shorts, climbing on Mount Baker. Slipping and a sliding. Look at that. What a view.
Yeah. That's a glacier there. I think there's one up a little higher There's 6 in this area.
Wow. Killing it on scenery. Back to 360 for our adventure back down. Do us in 360 mode, so if we fall down, we can get all the angles. Oh. Oh.
Oh. I don't be near the edge.
Yeah. Stay in the middle. Should have brought a board up here, man. Ridden there. Should have brought a board. Why didn't we bring a board?
Huh?
Could have just brought a board and slid down, man.
Right there. Should have bought one of those tubes they had to sell on the road. That's getting slushy now.
Can't remember the last time it was 80 degrees and I was playing in snow, you know? It was very strange.
Whoa! That was pretty close. That was pretty close.
This is the challenging section here.
Yeah. We'll try to dig your heels in if you can. Go down sideways. Your shoes.
You place your feet, they just keep sliding. Alright, I got an idea.
Uh-oh.
Oh, if you jog, it's better.
Okay, I get down there and wouldn't make it. Stop. I was waiting on you to like
right off the edge.
big sled going over here.
Oh, this looks fun.
I don't think you came up there. Can you get over here in the dirt somewhere?
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. How do we get out of here? I think I came down too far. I think I gotta go up over here maybe.
I think we went over there. Yeah,
I'm thinking
you got to go down severely. That one dip.
Because we didn't cross that log.
Well, no, but we came up here. But you might be right.
I'm going for it. I'm king of this log. I said I'm king of this log. Okay. Man, you don't want to fall down these hills. Not much will stop you. I'm going for it.
Yep. Well, this trail here, that's what I'm thinking of.
Yeah.
You take it before, go all along the ridge. It's called the Twin Lakes Trail or something. You end up at the lake and you keep going to another one and bring you back out to the far parking lot. We've gone to the first lake and come back. That was pretty cool. It was a misty, cloudy morning,
Oh yeah?
so it wasn't in the sun. We had our backpacks with food and water, and all those people across the street. Whoa.
I think I'm gonna try running up this thing. I don't know. Running down seemed to work.
I'll make sure I got my feet 1 foot planted in.
I guess getting slow is better than eating a bunch of this muddy dirt. Snow.
Yeah. At least I think where I fell was pretty clean snow. Breeze off of there.
That was graceful, wasn't it? Let's see how you dismount. Oh, not too bad.
Oh, yeah.